everyone, welcome to day 5 of the spoken space presentation skills. Today I have learned about SQL things queries related on the topic of order by having aggregations like count, sum, min, max, averages and that stuff, and came to know about a distinct having order by limit pagination using limit and offsets. And in English I have learned written photos and study material, study material, simple pleasant, positive, negative counts, and that stuff. Let me show you what I have drawn today. And this is that one, simple pleasant. You plus verb. You call and invite your friends. You send you plus verb, rest of the sentence. Close the door. Turn up the light, turn up, and that stuff. If I go down, today I have written this test. Score at MF10. Here also. Here 9 by 10. Basically, we are in day 64 of the day 63 of the course. And today came to know about following in SQL different operators between in or by distinct by paginations, aggregations, group by having, and a basic exercise to be done. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Also learn. Please like, share, and subscribe channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe that button and like this video. Please write comments in what sort of videos you want. I will try to make them in the weekends. Yes, I am busy. Thank you.